Hey, welcome to Pagosa Adventures. Today we are going to be talking about dash cams. Now, why would you want a dash cam? Why would you need a dash cam? Well, I can tell you this, as an RVer who travels across the country, a dash cam is a great thing to have because you never know what is going to happen, and you may need to have video evidence to support your case in an insurance claim or something like that. Now then, a dash cam is going to capture footage, as long as you have the camera on and running, is going to capture footage of everything in front of you. Now then, I personally, like I said, I've never ever used a dash cam, but VIOFO sent me a dash cam. They sent me the A229 Duo, which looks like this, and they call it Duo because this is the front camera. There's a little camera right there, puts on your windshield like that, but it also comes with a rear view camera. Now then, I probably won't be using this because in the leisure travel van, that is 25 feet, and I'm not sure exactly how that would work, but if it does, I will install that and let you know as well. But I definitely am going to install this today and kind of show you how this works. Now then, I look forward to it because it's going to be double duty for me, because occasionally I will throw a GoPro on a suction cup looking out the front window for some, if we're in a beautiful setting, to record some footage for this channel, some B-roll or whatever. But this is going to be able to do this as well. This is 2K, and so it's better than HD. It's not 4K, but it is 2K. Meaning it's 1440, I believe, is the resolution, whereas typical HD is 1080. And so it's going to be some really good footage, something just like your GoPro should be able to capture. Now then, this thing also has a Sony sensor. And if you know anything about sensors, Sony makes some of the best sensors in the biz in their mirrorless camera line. I do believe they also make them for Nikon, however you want to say that, as well as several cell phones. And so a Sony sensor should be good. So I'm looking forward to getting some good footage of that. Now then, VIOFO did send this to me for free for a review. And so I will put a link to this product down below. I did see a fellow LTVer yesterday on the Facebook group had just purchased this from a car accessory company and is installing it in her LTV. Now then, they did send me some of the accessories to go with it. This is a hardwire set in case you want to hardwire it, because if you don't hardwire it, you just plug it into a cigarette lighter outlet, 12 volt. They also sent me a wireless Bluetooth remote, which I think is going to be great because I plan on installing this on kind of the middle passenger area, not on the driver's side, where it might be difficult for me to turn it on and off. They also sent me a polarizer lens that goes on the front of the camera, but they also send you the tools to put it behind your little, to hide the wires and stuff. So anyway, so let's go down to the leisure travel van and install this VIOFO A229 Duo. Okay, I've already used some glass cleaner to clean this off. You might even want to use alcohol, but I didn't have any, so I just used glass cleaner. See, I let it go. It uses a 3M tape, so I'm assuming that that's going to stick it pretty well. So you better put it right the first time. Okay, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make sure that the camera is wide angle. So you don't want to get this. So you don't want to get this into your field of view, and the camera does tilt down. This is a pretty good tilt on the LTV here, windshield. So I think that's going to be, I want to get as close to that as I can. Try to get there. Okay, it looks like that right there. Peel that off. Oh, I'm so OCD. I hope this goes right. I'm really OCD, so I don't want it to. It looks good to me. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, look. I got it centered there. It's far enough away from this piece that it doesn't capture that in the thing. So now that I have it all installed, let's take it on a drive and see what we got. Okay, so there is an app and it is easy to connect to Wi-Fi, and it's showing me a live view right now. And as you can see, There's the live view. You have your Wi-Fi button right there that you just long press to turn the Wi-Fi on, and then your phone finds it. It gives you all the instructions as well as the Wi-Fi password. All right, so now let's go and see if we can't. Okay, let's stop recording. And then there you go. There's all of our recordings coming up. Nice. Got the wire run. That was really easy in a leisure travel van. It literally just fit right here. Now it's kind of loose, so I may put something in there to kind of tighten it up, but it really, which is good that it's loose because you didn't have to peel back any of that heading or anything like that, header. So it goes in super easy in a leisure travel van. Other RVs, I'm not sure of. So, it's going to be up to your particular make and model how easy it is to get through here. Now, if it's a Sprinter, this was also easy through here, but in a leisure travel van, this has got some space up here to tuck that cord up into. Then again, I just ran it here to my USB inside of this dash tray right here. Couldn't be simpler. So that is powering it through the 12-volt cigarette plug. Now then, they do have an optional hardwired wire that you can purchase. I am not going to do that. I don't need to do that. I can just use the cigarette plug adapter. So far, I think this is a fantastic dash cam. Super easy to turn on, very intuitive. The menus are easy. And again, 2K, not 4K, but better than HD. So it's going to be good. So let's take the SD card out, put it in the computer, and take a look at how the footage looks. But I think this is a perfect solution for a dash cam. All right, so as you can see, if you look down in the lower left hand, it does give you speed. It gives you your GPS coordinates, which it has built-in GPS, so that is fantastic. Then, of course, the date and the timestamp across the bottom. Like I said, this is 2K video, and so it's going to be nice and crisp. Now then, I will be trying this at night. Not sure it's going to make it into this video, but I will try it and give an update later. It says that it has some pretty good night capabilities, which of course is important as well. And so you just want to make sure that as you travel down the road that you are able to record if anybody is at fault in an accident, somebody steps out in front of you, pulls out in front of you, no matter what it may be. I think this is a good solution for a dash cam. All right, there you go. That is the VIOFO, not sure how you say it, but either way, it's the A229. I think it's a great quality product, super easy to use, super easy to install. Now then, they also make a A129 as well. I think it has a few less features, but I am going to link the Amazon link down below. And right now they have a $40 off coupon. I'm not sure how long that will be there, but as of October 2022, when this filming is made, there's $40 off. So go grab that while you can and save $40. Now then, if this is your first time on the channel, I invite you to subscribe. We're always talking about leisure travel vans, Airstreams, RVs, basically all kinds of gear, gadgets, and everything in between. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also give me the old Fonzie, the old thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube. Share this video to other people who are wanting to see content for leisure travel vans, Airstreams, or RVs. So anyway, with that being said, we will see you next time.
Maybe we can find a way to merge them.